chasing out the sunrise from the city to Tataluga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you just fly like on and on, we gotta keep it up.
Hi guys! So ayan, yung name pala ng restaurant na to is Danielitos. And then, yung cafe nila is Malaya, yung name. Here. Ito yung prop na in-order natin. Sobrang ganda. May stiko and also, what's this? Is it an Oreo? Ayan. And then, may whipped cream on top. So ayan, let's try it later. Hindi pa dumadating yung ibang order namin. So, ito yung menu nila. So ayan, cafe siya dito. And then, on the other side is meron din silang restaurant. And then, dun sa may part ng counter, meron sila iba't ibang mga pastries and cake. And then, dito naman sa pinaka-menu nila. So, ayan, meron silang mga salad, pizza, what else? Noodles, pasta, rice meal, and also soup. So, ayan. Yung in-order namin is, nasa dyan yan, yung bagoong rice with lechon kawale. That one is 275 pesos. And meron pa kami in-order guys. So later is ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. And for the birthday celebrant guys, meron silang free na cupcake. Pero if you want, pwede din kayo mag-avail ng slice cake sa kanila. And yes, mag-vlog lang muna ako sa labas and mag-take ng pictures. So let's go! order namin. And nakakatuwa dito sa restaurant nila. Very accommodating ng mga staff. And ayan, kinantahan pa nila si mommy ng happy birthday. By the way guys, ito yung order natin. Binago ko nga, lechong kawale. I really love their plating. Ang cute din ng plate nila. So, right here. So, try na natin siya dahil nagugutom natin. And by the way guys, ito pala yung cake ni mommy, which is the ube makapuno. Right here. So, ayan. And then, meron yung free cupcake na binigay kay mommy. So, ayan. And this one naman guys, order din kami ng, oh my god, super init na ba? Sinigang na baboy. And of course, my favorite, calamares. This one. Ang cute din no, plating nila dito. Along with the calamares is this one, the sour cream. So, fried rice pala siya. Harap. Sobrang crispy. Ulit lang kawali. It's very juicy and at the same time, sobrang soft talaga yung meat. Actually, sarap din yung fried rice nila guys. So, sila sama rin yung alamang. So, we're going to try their calamares. And here's their dip. So, ayan. Parang sour cream siya. Hindi ko siya pinalagyan ng coffee. And ito daw yung bestseller nila, yung chocolate chip mocha frap. And actually, gustuhan ko naman. Ang sarap niya. Super sarap daw ng cake. As you can see right here, yan yung makapuno. And yung cake as well. The cupcake.
Cupcake. Bigay sa akin dito. Ako sarap nito.
Actually guys, sobrang lambot ng texture ng cake. More of like parang icing na lang siya. So, diba, ano siya? Iba yung makapuno cake. So, sa gitna, yung filling is makapuno. And then on top, meron pang makapuno. And then, meron din siyang nata de coco. Right here naman is the cupcake. So, ito yung freebie kay mommy since birthday niya today. So, let's try it. So, you can see sobrang lambot ng cake.
Pag-pizza. Super thin. Oh.
Alis lahat yata ng food na tinry ko. Marirate ko siya ng 10 out of 10. Ito sarap ng mga foods, guys. Alright, so now is this one naman, the Hawaiian pizza. As you can see, super thin yung pizza. And, ayan, tira niyo yung crust. Let's try it. This one is a Hawaiian pizza. First time ko kumain sa isang cafe na lahat talaga ng food masarap. So yan, nirequest talaga namin na crispy and at the same time thin lang yung crust ng pizza. Actually guys, nasulit ko na talaga yung travel ngayon since mag-start na rin ako ng mag-work. So yes, yung total ng bill namin is 1,414 pesos. So yun guys, dito ko na lang i-end ng vlog na to and I hope naman na nag-enjoy kayo. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and also turn on the notifications so that you'll get updated when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!